Today we will learn how to use glitch effect in text with Premiere Pro. Write your text at the beginning. Click on Effect. Type RGB in the effect search box. Drag the color balance RGB and drop it on the text layer. Click on the Effect Control tab. From Color Balance RGB, reduce red to 0. Reduce green to 0. Increase blue to 100. From timeline, copy the text layer. From the keyboard, hold down the Alt key and drag upward. Go to Color Balance RGB again. Increase red to +100. Reduce green to 0. Reduce blue to 0. From timeline, copy the text layer again. Go to Color Balance RGB again. Reduce red to 0. Increase the green to 100. Reduce blue to 0. Select the third text layer. Click on Opacity. From Blend Mode, Screen, select the second text layer. Click on Opacity. From Blend Mode, select Screen. Select the third text layer. Click on Position. 1 keyframe will be created. Then create another keyframe. Then create another keyframe beside the first keyframe. Move the text a little to the left side. From the third keyframe, move the text a little to the right side. Again, move the text a little to the left side from the fourth keyframe. Bring the keyframe closer together. Next, click on the scale. 1 keyframe will be created. Then create another keyframe. Shorten the text from the second keyframe. Next, make the text little bigger from the third keyframe. Shorten the text from the fourth keyframe. Then click on rotation. One keyframe will be created. Then create another keyframe. Create another keyframe beside the first keyframe. Rotate the text slightly to the right side from the second keyframe. From the third keyframe, rotate the text a little to the left side. Then rotate the text a little to the right side from the fourth keyframe. Then go to the second keyframe. Select all keyframes. Copy the keyframes. Press Ctrl+C from the keyboard to copy. Select the second text layer from the timeline. Click right button. Click on Paste. Select the first text layer again. Next, go to the third keyframe. Select the first text layer from the timeline. Click the right button. Click on Paste. Your text now has a glitch effect. Thanks for watching the video.